Hi everybody, welcome back to Amy's Kitchen, Amy's Green Kitchen, and I think she calls you guys her Green Warriors. Today we are going to make cranberry sauce, or a fixing for Thanksgiving. So, the recipe calls out for a bag, which I've already put inside my pot, and rinse them off. Calls out for some dates. I've used this before. We're going to use some applesauce, and we're going to use some water. So put water inside the Vitamix. Put our dates inside. You can use whole dates, or you can use this paste. So we blend that all up. Take all that mixture, throw it in with these delicious cranberries. I want to get all that delicious goodness. Mix those cranberries up. Get a nice consistency. I don't know if you can see that without it spilling out. Okay, this is about 18 minutes in. You can see how it's gotten thicker and how the cranberries, let's see if I can get a couple of cranberries, how soft they are. Check this out. You can just, they all just popped. Now what you can do, if you don't like them whole like this, you can take a little masher to it, like a potato masher, and you can mash them up a little bit. I'll show you how to do that in just a sec. What I use, it's not a potato masher, it's actually a pie blender. It's for the crust. But you just take that, just like you would a potato masher, and it'll break, see that? Break them up. So it'll be a little bit more like a mash. And when this stuff cools down, it will solidify. So you don't have to worry about the fact that it seems too liquidy now. But you see what's happened? You know, those are all broken up. See that? Whoa, pop. It's kind of funny. Anyway, it's kind of fun. And as you can hear, it's now done. So that's the consistency of it when it's done. Now all I'll have to do is let it cool down, and I'll show you what it looks like in a bowl. All plated. Okay, here's the final product. You can see it's nice and thick. It's still nice and warm, but it will gel up. And it's very sweet and delicious.
Wow, this looks so good. I'm just gonna put a little bit in this plate here. And look at that, look at how thick it is. I don't want to splash, but look at that. Look at how thick it is. Looks good, huh? Let's take a taste. Wow. This is real. This is real cranberry relish. Not that fake stuff in the store. And it really didn't take that much time at all. It has a lot of texture to it. And if you didn't like the texture the way it is, you could always use an immersion blender and smooth it up. But I like it just this way. And I can't wait to share this with my friends for Thanksgiving. But it's good any time of the year. So I'm glad that you watched this, and I hope that you can make it at home. Maybe you might have different variations. So leave comments below. Click up here to subscribe. And remember, Green Warriors, be strong, be well, and be green with Amy in her green kitchen on Thanksgiving or any time of the year. Bye-bye.